Hello friends, Dewey Decimal Classification Edition 19, published in 1979. We are using this scheme of classification for practical, for learning practical. We all know that Dewey Decimal Classification is a very popular scheme of classification. It is used in majority of the countries in the world, and it is very popular, used in medium-sized and small libraries. A scheme of classification which is based on DDC is called Universal Decimal Classification, UDC, which is specially designed for special and research and developing libraries. Therefore, R&D libraries make use of UDC, but then small, medium-sized libraries, even university libraries, they find DDC of use to them. And the reason for the popularity of DDC is that it is constantly revised. We all know that the latest edition of Dewey Decimal Classification that has come is the DDC 24th edition that has come in 2018. The unique feature of this 18th edition is that it's not available in the print form. It is available only in the electronic form. It is called WebDB. But we are making use of DDC 19th edition. Once we are able to make use of this DDC 19, if we have mastered the DDC 19, we'll be able to use the later edition also. We'll be able to use any further edition because there are slight changes in DDC which are always there, and for that you would be quite sure that we have to read introduction in table 1, which tells us about classification, which also tells us about DDC. So you keep reading the introduction. It's 25 to 30 pages. You may have read it, but then the more you read it, the more you try to understand it, you become more clear while assigning numbers. So we'll be using table 2 today in our examples. We'll try to understand the different parts that are there here in table 2. We'll also know how to make use of table 2. Table 2 is known as areas table. This is after table 1. Table 1 is standard subdivisions. Table 1 can be made use of without any instruction given in DDC. Table 2 is to be used in two situations. One is when there is an instruction given in the schedule where we are classifying a book, the main subject of the book, we assign that subject somewhere in the schedules, and you will find an instruction given there that to add to that number numbers from table 2. So that is an instruction that is given. It may be in the form of an instruction or it may be in the form of an indication. We can make use of table 2 in one such case. In the other type of cases, when we make use of table 2, we require table 2 has to be used. And why we require? Because our subject is discussed from a specific point of view as far as geographical area is concerned. But then there is no instruction using table 2. In that case, also we can make use of table 2, and that we do through table 1. Table 1 takes us to table 2. In table 1, there is a subdivision 09, historical and geographical subdivisions, and 09 instructs us that you can add notation from table 2. So I think now you are quite sure that in two cases you can make use of table 2. One case is that where you are assigning your number, the number that you find in the schedules, there is an instruction given there that you can use notation from table 2. In the other case, there is no such instruction given there in the notation that you have assigned, but in that case, you make use of table 2 through table 1, and that notation in table 1 is 09, -09. Therefore, in such case, when you add this number, you start your area number by 0. Now in table 2, you will find all sorts of areas. You will find number for the world, number for continents, number for countries, number for states, districts, villages, or They may not be so exhaustively given, but then many of such are given there. In case you do not find an exact number for the area, you can give a broader number. So this is how table 2 is there. You will also find physiographical divisions like mountains, rivers, lakes. You will find directions also, and you will find all sorts of geographical areas within table 2. So table 2 has notation starting from 1 to 9. And before you make use of table 2, try to flip through the different divisions in table 2. You get an idea how table 2 has been arranged. It is very systematically arranged. Like the notation 4 has been given to Europe. Notation 5 has been given to the Asia, and within Asia you will find the number for India. So it is very systematically given, and once you try to understand how it has been given, then you can do some examples also. Let us take the examples one by one. A very simple example, science in Japan. So we are talking of how science has developed in Japan. And here it's very clear that the discipline is science. And we are talking of science only in Japan. So if we leave this number at science only, this will be a broader number. We have to give the exact number. And by now you are quite sure, yes, the number for science is 500. And now we have to find the number for Japan. We will find it in table 2. And we are going to table 2 through table 1. That means through 09. And when we go to table 2, we find the number for Japan is 520. I have just now told you that the number for Asia is 5. Therefore, within Asia, you find number for Japan is 520. So the number for science in Japan becomes 509.52. We have added Japan through 09. And we have not used 500 because in sciences there is an instruction that tells us that while using table 1, we are not to use this 0. Therefore, the number becomes 509.52. Let us go to the next title. Customs in India. There are different customs in our country, India. We are to classify that. Now, first of all, we should find out the number for customs. Don't confuse this with costumes. We are talking of customs because there is a number given for costumes also in DDC. But customs you will find has been given at 390. So this is customs, and for India again through table 1 we have to go to India, and for the number for India again, as I told you, Asia is 5 and you find the number for India is 540. And since we are going through table 1, it is 09540, but that 0 at the end is not to be mentioned. This 3 zeros that you find or 2 zeros, this is just to fill the space. In DTC, the rule is that no number will be less than 3 digits. But when it is in so many digits already are there, and number for India is 540, towards the end that 0 is not to be added. Had it been somewhere in middle or in between, we would have added that number. So we leave it at 54 only. So the number for customs in India becomes 390.0954. Now let us move to the next title. It is soil conservation in Northeast India. You find soil conservation here is the subject, and it is discussed from the point of view of only Northeast India. So you find the number for soil conservation is within agricultural sciences, and within agricultural sciences you go further down, you find the number for soil conservation is 631.49, and you have to add now the number for Northeast India, and it is 9541. So the number becomes 631.49541. 541 is Northeast India. And you are going there through table 1, so it becomes 09541. But when you come to a soil conservation, you find you have to use it without the 0. Therefore, the number becomes 631.49541. Let us go to the next title. Postal services in Italy. Now, postal services is the subject and it has been discussed only from the point of view of Italy. And you find the number for postal services is in trade and communications in DDC, which has been given under the class 38. You find it is 383.4 postal services. And you have to add the number for Italy, which is part of Europe, and you go to Europe, you find the number for Italy is 45, and you have to add it through table 1, so it is 0945, and again there is an instruction there, you need not to add the initial 0, therefore the number becomes 383.4945. So I think this is the number that you have also given. In case you have some other different number, please check it again. You again start from the initial point, assigning the number for postal services, starting from the summaries, and then checking how table 1 and 2 have been used in 383.4, and going to Italy once again, and you will find what is the error in your number. Let us go to the next title, drug addiction in rural India. Drug addiction is a very big problem, and we are talking of this in rural India. Now, rural is also an aspect which has been given in table 2. As I was telling you, different areas have been given. So not only India, rural also has been given in table 1. So you find rural and India at different places. But before adding that, we have to find out the number for drug addiction. And drug addiction, you find, has been given in DDC under social problems. It's a social problem. Therefore, the number for social problems and drug addiction is 362.293. That is drug addiction. Now you have to add the number for rural India. So you start with India. It is 0954 is India. Now you need to add rural also. And when you go to table 2, you will find there is an instruction how to make use of rural here. Because the number for rural is 1734. Yes, you are right. If you find 1734 as rural, how to add this number to India? There is an instruction there that after the number for India, you add 009. So after 954, you add 009 as the instruction tells you in DDC table 2. And it says that after 9, you have to add the number 1734 without the first one. And so you leave the first one, it becomes 734. You know the reason behind that? Because when you say rural 1734, this is rural for any place in the world. But when you have to add rural or for particular place, this initial one is left out. This is the basis. This is the logic of leaving the one. Therefore, you can again cross-check the number. It's a bit long because there are different aspects. You please see that you do not miss a 0 or add another 0 unintentionally, because that would result in misplacing the book in the library. Therefore, we should always cross-check our numbers, because a slight mistake in the number would result into a very different order of books in the library, and this would cause a big problem for the user as well as the staff. Now let us go to the next title, water pollution in developing countries. So water pollution is the subject. Now you find here the area is developing countries. So this is another aspect that you find in table 2. We have seen examples of countries. we have seen continents. We have also seen the part of the world according to the living, that is rural. Now we are talking of economic status, that is developing, and that also has been given according to the socio-economic status. They have divided the world into developing, underdeveloped and developed. And first of all, the number for water pollution, you find that it has been given as 363.7394. So this is the number. Now you add the number for developing, and the number for developing is, you find in table 1723. This is the developing countries, but you have to go here via table 1, therefore it becomes 091723, and the number becomes 363.7394. This is the first part, and now you have to add developing countries 091723. It's a long number, therefore check it twice before finalizing. Now we take up a title wherein not one country but two countries are involved. Till now we have done only those titles where we had to add number for one country or one geographical area. Or now there are two countries in this title. The title is US Foreign Relations with China. So it is foreign relations between two countries, and the two countries here are United States and China. And first of all, we have to find the number for foreign relations. And when you see DDC, you find the number for foreign relations is 327. You got it? 327. This is foreign relations. Now we have to find, you write down somewhere the number 327. Now we have to find the number for the two countries. One is US, the other is China. Go to the table 2. You find the number for United States has been given as 73. And now you come to the number for China. The number for China is, if you go to the table 2, you find it is 51. Now you have to add these two numbers. How to add? You find in 327, there is an instruction given under 327.3 to 2.9. It says, when you are talking on foreign relations between two countries, if there is a stress on one country, you add the number for that country first. But we are assuming here that there is no stress on one country. Both the countries have been treated equally. Therefore, the instruction says, if both the countries have been treated equally, then you add the number of the country which has less value in notation first, and the other country which has higher value in notation later. And between these two countries, notation of these two countries, add a 0. Now, as we have seen, number for China is 51, for US is 73. 51 is less, therefore 51 first, then 0, then 7. So now your number is final. What is it? 327.51073. So this is foreign relations between India and US and China. So I think now you are clear about this number. We have learned how to add two countries when we are talking of foreign relations. Remember, the rule is the country which has lower notation, lower ordinal value of notation first, then 0, then the country with higher ordinal value. Let us move to the next title, again with two countries. The example is different. It is UK economic relations with Germany. Economic relations of United Kingdom with Germany. So there are always economic relations between two countries, and the economic relations, you are correct, will go to economics, and within economics the number is 337, and you find within 337 there is an instruction given there, 337.3 to 0.9, economic relations between countries. And again they find there, they have given there that if the two countries, there is a stress on one country, give the number for that country first. Otherwise, the country with lower value in nutrition will come first, then the other country. Now we have to see the number for the two countries. The number for UK is, you go to Europe within table 2 and you find it is 4-1 Europe. Similarly for Germany, again to Europe, you find the number for Germany is 4-3. And if we follow that rule, 4-1 has to come first, a 0 then, and then 4-3. And you are very right, you are correct, the number is 337.41043. So now you have understood that we can even add two countries if the title so demands. Now let us move to the next, again with two countries. This is US foreign assistance to Sri Lanka. So again, one country assisting the other country with it, and these are foreign assistance. And again, within economics, you will find 338.91. This is basically economic assistance that has been given. So 338.91 is economic assistance given by one country. And again, one country is US, the number for US is 73. The other country is Sri Lanka, number is 5493. But the rule here says, if you read the instruction, that if a country gives economic assistance to the other country, then the country giving the assistance has to come first. The country receiving the assistance has to come second. And between the notation for the two countries, there has to be a 0. Therefore, the number becomes 338.91 economic assistance, 73 US, then 0, then 5493 Sri Lanka. So this is the number. Let us move further. It is again two countries and we are saying trade agreement. So we are talking of trade agreement between two countries. The title is Trade Agreement between France and Hungary. The title before was Economic Assistance, one country assisting the other country economically. Now we are talking of two countries having a trade agreement, how they are trading between each other. And you go to trade, you find it is 382.9. And it says that when you are talking of trade agreement between two countries, again the rule is the same, that if one country is stressed, then you place the notation for that country first and the other country second, and in between the two countries there has to be a 0. And the notation we have to find out here, the notation for the two countries Hungary and France, and we find that the number for Hungary is 439. And let us move and find out the number for France. It is 44. And therefore, as the rule says, the number becomes 382.9. 439. 439 is Hungary. 044 is France. So this is the number. Please check your number and don't be confused. The rule is very simple, that the country having notation less comes first and the notation country with a higher notation comes second. So now we have understood by now that in table 2 we can make use of this table not only to indicate the number for a country but also to indicate a specific part of the country. This part could be a geographical, it could be a political division, or it could be a physiological division. It could also be a division based on socio-economic status. So all these are possible in table 2. Now let us take some examples wherein we can make use of table 2 and table 1 together. We can use table 1 and table 2 together, not only for geographical area, but some aspect of table 1 and some aspect of table 2. So let us take this title. It says Research in Biotechnology in India. I repeat the title, Research in Biotechnology in India. So let us do the analysis. The discipline here is biotechnology. And there are two auxiliary aspects. One is research, the other is India. and you have very well judged. You have done titles earlier. Research you will find in table 1, and India you will find in table 2. Now how to connect these two? Because you know that these are in different tables. But before doing that, we have to find out the number for biotechnology. And you find the number for biotechnology is 620.8, applied sciences, and within applied sciences it is under engineering. So 620.8 is biotechnology. Now let us try to find out how to add the two tables. Is there some instruction given in some table? Let us see table 1 first. And you find the number in table 1 for research is 072. Now that is fine. And you go down further, you find that you can expand the number for research for a country also. So research taking place in a country, there is an instruction given under 072 that you can add the number for country also with a 0. So therefore our work is done. We have got the title now right. It becomes 620.8072 and then a 0 and then 54. The last 0 has not to be added. I told you last 0 is meaningless. Therefore, I repeat the number once again, 620.8072.054 is research in biotechnology in India. We will do another title where it's a little simpler. It is horticulture in Western India. I want to show you here that the orientation division, we are talking of an orientation of India, that is Western India, and you find there is a number for Western India given. But before that, you need to know the number for horticulture, and you find the number for horticulture is 635. And you have to go through table 1, and in table 2 you find there is a direct number given for Western India, that is 547. Therefore simply the number is 635.09547. You have to make use of 10 because there is no such instruction otherwise, therefore it is correct. Now we have seen here that we can make use of table 2 through table 1, and this title is a demonstration of that. Indian Library Association. Here we are talking of an association of library science, and that is Indian. So India is in table 2 and association in table 1, and we are all very sure that library science is 020. And when we go to table 1, we find that national associations number is 622. National associations, and now we are talking of National Association of India, and there is an instruction given under 622 that we can add the number for country after 622. Therefore the number becomes 020.62254. So you have got the number right. Let us move further. Maharashtra Library Association, similar number. The only difference here is that this is a state level association. Therefore, the number will be 020.623. National was 622, state is 623. And the number for Maharashtra, 454792. So for any state association, we have to make use of 623. And one more title, Directories of Colleges in New York. Again, the title says that two different aspects, one from table 1, one from table 2. And before that, we should know the number for colleges. It has to go to higher education. It is 378.155 and 1552. And within that, you have to add the number for directory, that is 025 in table 1. Now we have to add here the number for New York also. And you will find there is an instruction given under directory that you have to add the number for area after 025. No 0 required here. And New York is 747. So rightly the number is 378.1552025,747. So the more you practice, the more clear it is, the more confident you are. So what you have to do is you have to find a set for DDC somewhere, or you can make use of online DDC available at the internet archives which can be borrowed, and you make use of this DDC. You can download a PDF file also, and you see that while using table 2, you find that you can make use of table 2 through table 1. If there is an instruction, you can use it directly and use it with caution. Follow instructions properly. You can have two numbers from table 2 also. You can use them, you can join them, but follow the instruction properly. You can also make use of table 1 and table 2 side by side, and there is an instruction given there. You can add two countries also, and there is a zero between the two countries. There is a rule, and you have to follow that rule. Don't do things on your own. Follow instructions as have been given in DDC. So the more you do, the better it is. Thank you.